I'm EastWest Eye. In my world, 3D speaks louder than words. To bring you the most precise spatial audit, I've even cloned my own voice. This is where the unseen becomes visible. You sleep 8 hours a night, but you still wake up exhausted. You've tried everything: melatonin, blackout curtains, white noise, but nothing works. What if I told you the problem isn't you, it's your bedroom layout? Look at this, the mirror facing your bed. In classical Feng Shui, this is called Jing, the mirror light Sha, but in 3D spatial psychology, I define it as nocturnal visual reflection triggering subconscious alertness. Your brain never fully disengages, because your own reflection keeps catching your attention all night long. And here's the second problem: the left side of your bed pushed against the window. In Feng Shui, we call this Cang Wu Ping, the bed without a balanced side. In spatial psychology, I call it lateral exposure, creating chronic unease. When one side of your body faces an open window, your subconscious never settles. You feel exposed, unprotected, like you're sleeping on the edge of a cliff. But here's what makes a real bedroom even trickier. A lot of you have a bathroom door right here facing the bed. In Feng Shui, this is called Wu Hu Iziki. The polluted air from the bathroom rushes straight toward your sleeping zone. Most people would fix the mirror and call it done, but I knew I had to solve both problems with one single design move. So now you've got two problems: the mirror facing the bed and the bathroom door facing the bed. Can you guess how I solved both with one single cabinet? Tell me in the comments. I want to see your answers before I reveal the fix. So how do we fix this? I evaluate every bedroom through 3 specific lenses. First, energy flow. Where is the polluted air entering, and how is the mirror reflecting your own energy back at you? Second, vertical pressure. How does the furniture placement affect your sense of being supported or exposed? And third, zoning for function. How do we create a clear boundary between the restful energy of sleep and the disruptive energy of the bathroom? This bedroom was failing all 3, so here's the plan I designed. I can only take a few of these custom audits each month. Every plan deserves my full attention. If you're ready, check the link in my bio. Now let me show you how this all comes together. This L-shaped cabinet is my answer. The mirror faces the bathroom door. It reflects the polluted air, blocking it from entering your sleep zone. The solid side faces the bed, giving you the grounded, protected feeling of a mountain behind your back. One cabinet, 2 fixes. This is what I call spatial logic. For the bed by the window, I anchored its right side with an L-shaped cabinet. In Feng Shui and spatial psychology, this restores your security anchor, the command position. That cabinet transforms the window from a threat into protection, letting your brain enter deep sleep. But not everyone can build a custom cabinet, especially if you're renting. Every layout hides traps. That's why I do custom audits, to find the fix that fits your space, not someone else's. And here's what most people don't realize: in a custom audit, the difference between a good layout and a great one often comes down to a 2-inch shift. Not a new bed, not a bigger room, just precision. I broke down the full logic of the 2-inch rule in my bedroom office audit, where a tiny gap literally changed everything. Check it out on my channel. If you want to try this yourself, watch out for these 3 common mistakes. 1. Pushing your bed against the window, killing your security anchor. 2. Leaving a mirror facing your bed, keeping your brain on high alert all night. And 3. Ignoring the bathroom door, letting polluted energy rush straight toward your sleep zone. These small errors completely sabotage your rest. That's why in my custom audits, every single placement is precisely calculated to match your specific floor plan. Here's what makes this strategy so powerful. Everything I just showed you is a zero renovation fix. No messy construction, no complicated building permits, just pure spatial logic. Whether you own this space or you're renting, these principles travel with you. They're an asset, not an attachment. At EastWest Eye, I translate old wisdom into spaces that hold you. In classical Feng Shui, it's Cang Feng Ju Qi, hiding the wind, gathering the key. In my world, it simply means a space that feels like it's holding you. You don't need a bigger bedroom, you just need the right logic. If you're ready to sleep like you deserve, I can help. Check the link in my bio for a custom audit, or grab the free Feng Shui guide to start small. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.